Oh my goodness. Okay.
Broadway's nickname was the Great White Way. Initially nothing to do with theater. Thomas Edison strung the first string of electric lights, street lights, that was much whiter than the old amber gas, town gas lights. Remember the expression, gas light? Wasn't very bright, you know, compared to electric light. That's how Broadway got the nickname the Great White Way. It had nothing to do with theater.
Ahora sí es New
A
Jersey.
great place to start the statue story is the end. October 28, 1886, the parade is marching down Broadway. Everybody's got the day off except Wall Street. The only ones working, and they're not happy about it. It's foggy and rainy, they're extra gloomy. When the parade passes in front of Trinity Church at the corner of Broadway and Wall, from the other side of the street, the stock boys took the ticker tape, the only records of buys and sales, and threw them out the window. They say that's how the ticker tape parade starts, the job action. 100 years to the day, Mets got a ticker tape parade for winning the World Series. But none of it was ticker tape. Shredded fax paper. Because even then, the world was going digital. Parents explained to the kids later with facts. Governor's Island is to your left. Where the Dutch and British governors once ruled from is now a park open year-round. The website is govisland.com.
Mira que Jersey City aparenta de noche
Glamorous camping campground on here.
y aquello es Newark al final, ¿verdad? Me imagino que allá en la neblina será Newark
One
para
of the
allá.
best things to do in New York is take a graveyard tour. There's so much history to be
Creo que sí.
in the graveyard.
A lo lejos, no digo ya a lo lejos allá. Eso es
One
Newark.
large